Plant FAQs, Begonia Moyesii. Begonia Moyesii, unveiling the beauty of the crinkle leaf begonia. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Begonia Moyesii, also known as the crinkle leaf begonia. This unique plant boasts stunning textural foliage and a compact growth habit, making it a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Begonia Moyesii. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Begonia Moyesii special? The Begonia Moyesii truly stands out with its captivating leaves. Imagine deep green, glossy foliage that ripples and folds, resembling a miniature Savoy cabbage. The veins are often a contrasting red, adding another layer of visual interest. The undersides of the leaves boast a rich, chestnut-brown hue, further enhancing the textural appeal. While the white flowers are delicate and charming, blooming throughout the year, it's the foliage that takes center stage with this begonia. Begonia Moyesii versus Begonia Ghertii, a tale of two begonias. Often confused with its close relative, Begonia Ghertii, the Begonia Moyesii has some distinct characteristics. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaves. Begonia Moyesii has smoother, glossier leaves with a more pronounced crinkled texture. Begonia Ghertii's leaves are slightly matte and have a less dramatic crinkle. Stems. Begonia Moyesii has square stems, while Begonia Ghertii's stems are round. Growth rate. Begonia Moyesii is generally considered a slower grower compared to Begonia Ghertii. Both are stunning plants, but understanding these subtle differences can help you identify which begonia you have. Bringing Begonia Moyesii home. What to expect? Begonia Moyesii is known for being a relatively easy-to-care-for houseplant. Here's what you can expect. Size. This compact begonia typically reaches a height of around 20 inches, 50 centimeters, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Light. Begonia Moyesii thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Aim for a comfortable range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your begonia to drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Humidity. Begonia Moyesii appreciates moderate to high humidity levels, around 70%. You can achieve this by using a humidifier, placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water, or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants. Watering. Water your Begonia Moyesii when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. How to care for Begonia Moyesii. Here are some additional pointers for keeping your Begonia Moyesii thriving. Soil. Use a well-draining, lightweight potting mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Begonia Moyesii with a diluted liquid fertilizer every other month. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for houseplants. Pruning. While not strictly necessary, you can prune your Begonia Moyesii to maintain its desired shape or remove leggy stems. Propagation. Begonia Moyesii can be propagated through leaf cuttings. Troubleshooting common Begonia Moyesii issues. Even the most dedicated plant parent might encounter occasional challenges. Here's how to address some common Begonia Moyesii issues. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or low humidity. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Increase humidity levels if necessary. Leaf drop. Sudden changes in temperature, underwatering, or excessive drafts can lead to leaf drop. Address the underlying cause, and your begonia should recover. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors to begonias. You can treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. With a little TLC, your Begonia Moyesii will reward you with years of captivating foliage and delicate blooms. Begonia Moyesii, a textural jewel for your indoor oasis. The Begonia Moyesii offers a unique combination of captivating texture, compact size, and relative ease of care. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this begonia is sure to become a treasured addition to your home.